I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a perfect circle as your sphere foundation. Use the quick shape or ellipse tool, hold to snap a smooth circle, fill it with midtone on the base layer. Once done, lock transparency so shading won't go outside. Set layer blend to normal and add a new clipping layer above for highlights and shadows. This early control gives you clean edges and predictable blending when you add gradients and reflective details later. Next, define form by blocking 3 value zones: core shadow, midtones, and highlight area. On the clipping layer, lay a soft multiply wash where the sphere curves away from light. Use a soft eraser to refine edges. Add midtones on soft light and subtly blur with Gaussian to blend. Remember to rotate the selection to keep consistent light direction. Once the core shapes read, introduce a small specular highlight on a new layer to finish by sharpening the brightest specular and adding micro-reflections. Use a tiny hard brush at full opacity for the pinpoint highlight, then duplicate and blur slightly for bloom. Use color dodge sparingly to push gloss, lowering opacity to taste. Lock all layers, group them, and fine-tune saturation or levels for final pop. If the sphere reads flat, add a soft ambient occlusion under the base and check light consistency. If banding appears, add subtle noise or lower gradient contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.